Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best packing tape. Here are the top 3 packing tapes that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. JARLINK packing tape. It has high tensile strength and can withstand heavy loads. This heavy-duty packaging tape has a strong adhesive that won't let go until you want it to. It is perfect for shipping, as it protects your products from dirt and moisture. It is also water-resistant so that it won't be ruined in wet weather. This tape is very good in thickness and toughness, will not tear or split easily. At number 2. Packing tape, HERKKA. This packing tape is strong and durable, so it won't break or rip when you use it. It is made from high-quality polypropylene and can be used to seal boxes, wrap gifts, or repair packages. This tape has a strong adhesive that won't let go, even in extreme weather conditions. This transparent tape is suitable for all standard tape dispensers and tape guns. The dimension of this tape is at 65 yards length by 1.88 inch width or 59.4 m by 48 millimeters per roll. At number 1. Packstrong packing tape. This packing tape is the best tape for a variety of purposes. This tape can be used to seal boxes, bind up items, and bundle cables. Its clear color allows you to see what's inside your package without opening it first. This pack comes with 6 rolls of 110 yards each, that's 660 feet of tape. This dependable direct packing tape bears the strength and holding power to grip your boxes together with confidence. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.